So I just woke up. It's 7 a.m. right now. I tried to fix my drone and I replaced the ribbon cable, which is like the part that holds the gimbal. The background about the drone really. So I met this guy on OfferUp. I didn't really meet him. Well, eventually I did meet him to buy the drone. And I bought it for like $350. I was like, okay, it's a really good deal. I mean, it's a Mavic Pro for $350. What could go wrong? I replaced the wire or whatever, and then I turned it on. I was like, great, it's gonna work. I'm gonna be able to use it today. No. I was wrong. The gimbal started smoking, and I was like, what do I do? What do I do? Instead of going to the gym, we're going to go run around my neighborhood actually. Let's go. Let's go. So we just got to one of my favorite spots to chill in my neighborhood. If I'm ever home and I need some alone time, this is where I go. Whoa, it's a little overflowy right now, actually. Usually it's just the beach. Maybe it's high tide, I don't know. But we're gonna move on. Let's go on to the next part of my day. So I just got back from a run. Got cut kind of short because this guy hit me up trying to buy the shoes that I just bought from Adidas the other day. We're gonna go do that transaction real quick and make a quick $35. This is just more money towards my traveling adventures that I really need actually. So I don't really mind to sell the shoes. I like the shoes, but I'd rather have the money right now anyways. I have better, what's the word in English? Priority. So when I was growing up, when I first moved here, this is the neighborhood I moved to. And I used to come and skate in this area all the time. They used to hate it. Hated me because when you're skateboarding, it's just loud.
That's cool.
Great.
Yo, you be selling shoes?
Not really, man.
Can you do 280? Come on, boss. You know,
290, bro. I got you.
We're gonna do big. All right, 290.
290, bro.
That's straight.
Right,
that's
290.
That's
Oh shit. It is 8:55 and I'm up $25. Anyway, it's time to take a shower and grab everybody some breakfast. So I kind of lost my key. It took me about 20 minutes to find it. So good on that. We're gonna go get breakfast for real now. It is 9:50. Yeah. And we're gonna grab some breakfast at Secret Garden, a restaurant called Secret Garden. It is one of the best. If you're ever in Woodbridge, right outside of Washington, D.C., stop by. They have really good food. just got back from running around getting them food. Now it is 12:05. So we're gonna do an oil change on this bad boy. This is how I'm spending my day, guys. I mean, alright, let's do it. So it is 4:27 p.m. right now. Today, so far, I've gotten a haircut, pedicure, and my eyebrows done. And I bought a Canon 80D to hopefully make some quick bucks for my travel, but we'll see. So since we have some time before we go to Korean barbecue with my family, I am going to put away that drone. I'm going to put it back together, and I'm not going to touch it until I get home and get a replacement part for it. And then I'll be using it rather than reselling it. At first, I was going to resell it for $700. I already had a buyer, and really it just fried out, like I said last night. So it's really not the right thing for me to do. Let's get into putting the drone away. So the drone has been put back together. My desk is no longer clustered. I just need to get this little part right here and plug and play, so it should be pretty easy. Pretty excited to use it in my travel journey, honestly. But for right now, it's just gonna be sitting in my room, so it's gonna be dope. And it's almost dinner time. We will go to Korean barbecue, a place called Iron Age in Centerville. If you're in town, check it out. I'm worried that this Asian can't drive.
I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight. It's toxic. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise, deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic, standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction? I need to be honest, it was for the better. Now every day is perfect for a lifelong celebration. Go ahead.
Yes. 10:19. Super exhausted, but the day is not over yet. We're gonna go bowling. Had to grab some socks, grab some gear, and then we're gonna head out.
Constant night, I'm struggling, reminiscing about our good times, the good days, the good days. But good wasn't the only perspective of all the days that we had. We lost it. You were the best